How to apply for jobs on Upwork. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on the Find Work tab at the top of the screen. This will take you to the job search page where you can browse available projects. Use the search bar to enter keywords related to your skills or the type of work you want. You can also filter jobs by category, client rating, budget, project length, and more to find the best matches. Once you find a job that interests you, click on the title to view the full description. Read the client's requirements carefully to ensure you meet their needs. Next, click the Submit a Proposal button. Write a compelling proposal tailored to the client's project. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and why you are the best fit for the job. Set your rate, whether it's hourly or fixed, and attach any relevant portfolio items or files that demonstrate your expertise. Before submitting, double-check your proposal for errors and make sure it addresses the client's requirements. Then click Submit Proposal. Repeat this process for other jobs that match your skill. Now you know how to apply for jobs on Upwork successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.